it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making a 4-ingredient pork taco for under $15, made with entirely all Aldi's ingredients. Now if you don't have Aldi's, I'm sure there's some stores around your area that have the same price brackets that they do. For that I'm going to need a pack of taco tortilla. I'm going to need one of those salad kits. I chose a Southwestern. Need some pico de gallo. I have a mild one. And we're going to need one of those pork shoulders that's already pre-flavored. They had only barbecue ones left, so I'm going to work with it. Anyway, this should be easy and fun, so let's go. Alright, the first and longest step is you're going to want to put your pork roast into the slow cooker. Either on low for 8 hours or on high for 4. I did not start cooking it ahead of time, so it's going on high for 4. And when your pork is done, it'll look beautiful. I've already taken some out, tested out, pull apart pretty easily. Then we'll know it's time to make our tacos. Alright, it's fun time to assemble our tacos. Taking the liberty of getting some of the pork out and shredding it. Put a decent forkful in each taco. Already opened up the salad kit. I'm going to put a light little handful of the salad content on there. Got a little bit of our pico. Now the salad kit came with, a few little doodads here or there. Got some cheese, which I am going to use. Don't super want to use a lot. Normally if I make a taco, I could totally overload those things. A few little crispy chips. So why not? Last but not least, there is a nice spicy ranch dressing that you're just supposed to put on the salad, but I'm going to put a little on our tacos. There we go. Now the best part's here. We get to try them out. Alrighty. Pick up one of these bad boys. Try it on out. Well, I gotta say, for being a $15 and under meal, these are incredible. I like that there was minimal cooking. You had the slow cooker do all the work. The salad came with enough little side things that it made it a complete taco instead of just 1 or 2 ingredients. Then again, sometimes that's all you need. So I would definitely try this, and it's cheap. This whole meal was under $15. Probably take a moment and list what it was so you can know ahead of time, at least for now. But if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, and I will see you in our next one.